This is the weekly DoNow sheet that I use in my classroom. Students come into the room on Monday and they grab it off the front table. On the front board, there will always be an objective that they will turn into the question of the day. There will be a do now activity. It can be anything from a daily oral language sentence or two, or a directive to look up the definition of a word. And then in this box, they answer the question of the day at the end of the class period, and this is what I use as an exit slip or an informal assessment to see how much of the material that they've mastered. For this particular example, the objective of the day is to annotate text to increase reading comprehension. So students need to turn that objective into the question. So it could say, how do you annotate text? And then the question is done. The do now, we can just leave blank because those activities will vary depending on what you have going in the classroom, but they can be anything. And then at the end of the lesson, once they've finished, for example, annotating the text, they should be able to answer the question. So how do you annotate text? Interact with text for clarifying information to increase comprehension. Or something along those lines. But you can see the dates are the days of the week already there. They put in the date and then you give them a score out of 5 if you wish. You could lower it to 3 and do 1 point for each box. And then at the end of the week, there is a total, but these can be edited. Sometimes if I know my questions are going to be really long or the do now activity is big, I'll go in and edit the document to make the boxes bigger. But this is what we use to get our class started every single day.